What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Thanks for tuning back in. Check out the Honda Civic Si right here. Looks pretty aggressive and dope. I really like the headlights. Smoked from inside. As you can see, let's get a closer look at it. See that? So you don't have to go and put on tints or anything like that. I like the fact how the daytime running lights are more sharper, like kind of contrast stands out a bit more. And you got the SI badge right here. And what you guys think about this honeycomb grill right here? It's like it's matte. You think it's good matte or glossy? I would say matte looks good only because it prevents most of the scratches. But if it's glossy finish, you would see scratches on this easily. But what do you guys think? Comment below. You have the H emblem right there, gloss black. The bottom is really nice airflow. Very well done. And going up to the side, we got 18-inch wheels right here on Goodyear tires. They're high performance tires and matte black wheels, of course. Again, it kind of resembles the front being matte like that. And then you got matte chrome, the window strip right there on top. It's all matte, so you have no chrome. Looks like Honda is stepping up with the chrome deletion part. I wish those lug nuts were blacked out as well. If that H emblem was black, that would be nice. But what do you guys think? I think they should have made it red just to kind of match with that SI badge, because it's an SI. And yeah, that's that. Going forward with this, you do get gloss finish on the side mirrors right there, as you can see. Pretty cool. And then you got the moonroof on top. And as I was talking about, the window on top, the window strip, there's no chrome at all. It is matte black. See that? That's that. And then you do have keyless entry. So whenever you see a small, like tiny strips, you can feel it with your finger. That's keyless entry on both sides, driver and passenger. The back, so you can tell by that it is a front wheel drive, of course. As you can see how there's small brakes in the back and then bigger brakes in the front side. That's how you can tell it's a front wheel drive. There's 200 horsepower, 6-speed manual transmission. All right, that's the back right there. This is so different in person, guys, than when you see it on like videos or pictures of it. The HPD stands for Honda Performance Development, I believe, or department. It's one of those. You got the SI badge in the back as well, the red. The back is LED except the bulbs. I believe the reverse and the signal is bulbs, like standard bulbs, but the rest seems to be LED. I'll show you guys in a few once I unlock the car. You see it light up, and then you got this nice duckbill spoiler in the back. Check it out, top view. That's the top view. And give you a side view like that. Oh, look at that, that's perfect. Full angle for you guys. Smash the like button. And then you have exhaust tips in the back. One on this side, one on this side. And yeah, it is cabless. Of course, we're gonna go check this out as well once I get the keys for it. You have it. That's that. I like this new color too, Sonic Pearl Gray. I think they changed the name for this color as well. I don't know what they call it now, but this is the color I actually want next on my car. Stay tuned and let's go inside the car in a bit, and I'll show you guys the headlights, the turn signals, and everything. So we'll check that out. We'll check out the rear when it lights up. We'll open up the trunk and smash the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already, and let's keep going. I almost forgot to mention, I actually like these right here. You know, whenever you spray the windshield, it will go in the direction of the Viper. So if it goes up, so this way it's not spraying all over the car or the guys behind you just driving. It's really awesome and unique. It's the future, guys. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm not sure if you guys have tested it before or seen it, but these are great and very effective. So we got the keys right here. I'm gonna go ahead and press unlock. Look at that. The one in the middle that's off right now, that's high beams, I would say. But looks pretty awesome, right? And the back. Oh. Watch the back as well. That's the back for you. And let's go inside. Check out the seats. Move the sticker from here. What do you guys think? First impression? All right, so this is what the interior looks like. We do, of course, have different modes. Say sport, possibly regular drive, and then eco mode, I'm sure. And you do have the brake and hold. You have the parking right here, and you have the engine auto on and off feature as well. Yep. So mostly same stuff as previous generations, of course. Just a little bit of redesign. The interior is just different. How the red is going all around. That's different from the other Civic sedans. This is on the SI models. I like how the hazards is like right in the middle. Kind of pops out, looks good. These vents are functional, of course. All 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. And yep, you have a USB right there, and then charging USB. This would connect to the infotainment system right here. Cigarette lighter, power outlet right there. And yep, you got 6-speed manual transmission right here. Then you have some storage in there. And let's just go ahead and throw in the accessories, see how it looks. It is all digital right here. So that's that. That's how it looks. Let me close the door real quick and see if anything would change here. All right, so infotainment system, dismiss. Very responsive, like very smooth. Like that, you can even see it in the video how smooth that is. Transitioning to different pages smoothly. Everything is, no, I don't want one. Bluetooth connect or smart shortcuts, different right here. You got display modes, all touch. Like I said, very smooth. These are buttons right here, 1, 2, then these are buttons. That's for the volume knob, on and off. And we can turn off this guy right here. Change the speed of the fan, different modes, it changes right there. Let's turn it off. We got the rear and the front defoggers. The AC right there. It's pretty much simple. And I like the fact how they started to change this into white instead of like the yellow ones, like very dim colors. You barely see with those, but now this is a lot better. You see a lot more at night when you use it. The moonroof above us, of course. And yeah, back to this console right here. So you got a bunch of stuff: stopwatch, G meter, throttle and brake, driver attention, navigation, turbo gauge, phone, audio, speed and time, range and feel, warning, customized display, no content, of course, safety support. That's it. So that's that, and I like that. I changed the volume on there. And let me just try to scroll back up. I'm trying to go back to the display right here back. So that's that, guys. Pretty basic. You do have the miles per hour digital right there. You can see it. There's no heads up display or anything like that as well. That comes on the 2.0 touring that you guys see. You don't see it on the SI. I wish they had it on here as well. It would have been awesome. And that's that for the video, guys. Let me know what you guys think. And this is definitely, you can see how much light is illuminating right here. You can actually tell a difference now. There's more light here than there. We do have light, but it's like yellowish, like amber color in the Accords, but you can barely see it, honestly. This is more light right here, which is awesome. And yeah, so that's that, guys. Stay tuned for the content. Subscribe again, and until next time, so peace out. Let me know what you guys think.